We are starting from number 81. So let's go to number 81 question. Number 81 is, we have solved the equation. This is indices. So in the equation, we have 2 raised to the power of, this is x times 1 is x over 3 is equal to, what is 128 in index form? That is, how many number of places will 2 multiply itself to give you 128? That is, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. 64 times 2, 128. So it's going to go 7 places. That is 2 raised to the power of 7. So the bases are the same. We equate the power. X over 3 is here, is equals to 7. This is over 1. You cross multiply. Our x is equal to 3 times 7 is 21. So the value of x is 21. We go to number 82. Simplify. This is solved. We have 5 root 3 minus 2 root 27 plus root 75. So 5 root 3 minus 2 roots. The perfect square in 27 is 9. So I have 9 times 3 plus the perfect square in 75 is 25. 25 times 3. So this is 5 root 3 minus 2 times square root of 9 is 3. You write it outside. Root 3 plus square root of 25 is 5. You write it outside. Root 3. So I have 5 root 3 minus 2 times 3 is 6 root 3 plus 5 root 3. These are like solved because they have the same number inside the square root. So let's focus on the outside. We have 5 minus 6 plus 5 all in root 3 is equal to 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So the final answer is 4 root 3. Number 83. A fair coin is tossed 7 times. So a coin has 2 faces, head and tail. So this is 2 raised to the power of n. We have solved this before. So this is 2 raised to the power of how many times? That is raised to the power of 7, which is 128. Then let's get the required outcome. What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? So it was tossed 7. We want to know how many times we can get 2 heads. So this is binomial probability, which is 7 times 6 over 2 times 1. 7 here is 1, 7 here is 3, 7 times 3 is 21. So the probability of getting 2 heads is equals to 21 over 128. And that is the answer. We go to number 84. Number 84. What is the smallest prime factor of 3927? So if you check this, a prime factor has 2 factors, itself and 1. From what is given here, so we have 3 as one of the options. So the smallest number that can go into this prime factor is 3. So the answer is 3. We go to 85. For an acute angle theta, so this is a right angle triangle. Here is 90, here is theta. We are given that sine theta is equals to 24 over 25. So sine means opposite over hypotenuse. So our opposite is 24 here, where the angle is facing, the side opposite to the angle. Then the hypotenuse is 25. So let's look for the adjacent using Pythagoras theory. X squared plus 24 squared is equals to 25 squared. Let's collect like terms. 25 squared minus 24 squared. This is difference of 2 squares. 25 minus 24 bracket 25 plus 24. So you have to get used to solving some questions without calculator. 25 minus 24 is 1 times 25 plus 24 is 49. 1 times 49 is 49. So x is equals to square root of 49 will give us 7. Then we have gotten the adjacent. We are told to find tan theta. So our tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. So our opposite here is 24, while our adjacent here is 7. And we have come to the end of these questions. Thank you.